Hello and welcome to our Ucara basic presentation. This segment we'd like to discuss with you 90-degree corners. And a couple of things that I really like about Ucara when it comes to 90-degree corners. First off, there is a corner block produced that has two elongated grooves on its side. One is a soft channel, one is a hard channel. The hard channel supports a orange clip. The orange clips come 40 to a bag, but that helps support a individual corner unit that you might see. The other thing that you're going to notice with fascia panels is the diversity available to you, which is really nice. But you're going to find left and right corners. So as I would hold the piece, face it to me, this is a left-hand corner with that side being closed off. Always these corners, both the right and the left, come with a half panel. Now this sets your bond for you. In other words, once I establish this piece here and that piece here, this right corner going over it, I've got a good half bond setting. So I always like to start from that 90-degree corner and work my way away. Some other things, you're going to notice we've chiseled off the top channels. Top channels are a supporting mechanism when we're doing an installation, but here on a corner, they would interfere because we're going to crisscross. So our bottom course is going in that direction. This course is going to intersect in the opposite direction. All right. We have the clip in place. Now, the other feature that I liked with Ucara, I'll take that soft channel and bring that in to those rails. So I have a mechanical connection on this corner. So that's really structurally, again, that's what you're looking for, a supporting system to prevent any kind of movement on your 90-degree corner. So real good way to, there. Okay, that's for more of a structural retaining wall, perhaps raised patio application or something like that. Oftentimes though, vertical features, you'll have just one side covered here. The installation is more with the standard block. All right, so here we've laid up this corner, all right, single clip, and that allows us to build that. However, if we want to veneer the inside with the fascia panels, what you potentially will notice is that the standard backer interferes with the large dimension of the corner backer. So how do we handle that? Well, we can use the standard backer in a corner application too. So I'll remove some of this. Again, removing the tongue, crisscrossing as we go into a corner. But here you'll see now we can come in flush like that and have a clean inside corner. So it works well on the outside corner with your right and left panels in conjunction with a half, as well as here on an inside. So real easy. I love the strength. Again, thanks for your time.